Get in here, y'all. This is part two. This is wash day. Finally take it down. The wig braids, the raggedy wig braids, y'all. I've had in for about 6 weeks, okay? Maybe even longer, but I'm gonna stick to 6 weeks, okay? Um, these are the same braids that I did in the previous video when I was showing you guys a demonstration with the edge control. And now the time has come. Okay, I'm taking it down and I'm gonna wash my hair. I have medium fine texture. And I've been using the ManeBeauTea hair growth elixir. This Haircrack that I whipped up, the recipe is linked, okay? For those who want to use that. And I'm going to detangle it a little bit, okay?
I'm about to shampoo, but I'm gonna run down what I'm about to use. I'm gonna be using the stimulating scalp shampoo. It is very tingling and stimulating to the scalp. If you have dry, itchy, dandruff hair, or like I said, I do have a lot of product buildup from the Haircrack. Because I be putting this in my hair like those women that you see on those ads putting that Chebe powder. I do that with my hair with this, okay? And then I got the hair oil, the hair growth elixir. I got this all in there. So normally, too, I would use a tea treatment after the shampoo and conditioning. But today, I'm going to use K18. I'm going to be doing a hair treatment mask today. So I'm not going to do a tea treatment today. And then I'm going to just go in with my normal Razzle Dazzle, the leave-in conditioner, you know, it's softening, very moisturizing to the hair. I'm going to spray that, blow dry it, and most likely I'm going to braid my hair again. So I'm going to blow dry it straight, but you'll see that in a little bit, okay?
Okay, so I shampooed my hair off camera. I shampooed it a couple of times, and my hair is nice and clean now. I used the K18 hair mask like I said I was, but you did not need to use conditioner along with it. So I didn't condition my hair. I just shampooed it, towel dried it, applied the K18, and now I'm going in with the ManeBeauTea leave-in and detangling spray, okay? The ManeBeauTea leave-in, it has like a softening effect on dry, brittle hair. It is super lightweight, and it helps you glide through its tangles like so, and you know, it doesn't leave a filmy residue on the hair. I done worked up a sweat, but like I say, you want to be patient with your hair. You want to work your way from the bottom all the way up through the roots, and, you know, just take your time. I'm using a warm, drier setting, occasionally switching to hot, but I'm just not using the hot setting throughout the whole blow dry, especially if I'm going to straighten the hair because that would be just way too much heat. Remember, the hot tools are going to straighten your hair, so you don't need the blow dry to do it. That's how you maintain your texture. And this is my texture, and I straighten my hair occasionally, so, you know, if you don't want to lose your curl pattern, take my advice. Don't apply too much heat in the process of, you know, the preparation for the silk press, you know? You don't gotta do all that. And, like I said, just establish a hair care routine that works for you. All of the products that I use from ManeBeauTea are linked to my TikTok shop and available. And this is what I use, guys. Like, you guys be wanting to see reviews real time. This is me during wash day, so stay tuned for the silk press.
Okay, guys, so I'm done with my blow dry. My hair is clean now. Thank you, Jesus. I'm about to put my wig back on some point between today and tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see what life brings, right? But I'm about to finish it up with a few drops of the hair growth elixir. And I mean, I probably put more in once I get my braids in. But I'm gonna just leave it out for right now. And this is what it's given. Pull it through the ends. But yeah, so this is it for now. You know, we trying to get to Cardi B length, okay? And I'm not mixed, so I don't want to hear all that, which y'all be saying to her in her comments. But yeah.